I swoop down, I balance it here in my forearm.
Oh.
Swoop down on it, and then like that.
Gotcha.
So, yes. And let's say I grab one and I load one. I'll do the quad load this way, brass towards you. So now you can just kind of drop, push, drop, push.
Oh, okay.
And then come back.
Basically,
Yes,
I see.
right now. Grab it like that and then fix it up. From here, I can just go 1, 2, and come back.
It's so hard to do that. Try two, just because I'm curious. Oh, this is hard. Not what makes it look so easy. So.
Nice. Yeah.
Ah. Oh boy.
Not bad. And you clean up on just keep it here and back up.
Oh, okay.
So you don't always have to do a shoulder stock,
Yeah.
right? So you can just go like that, hold it, and back up on top. Yes.
I see. Yeah, so much easier with this one now. It's like spinning a baton.
Yeah, there you go. The only thing is you have to mount it, it takes a little bit of time,
Yeah.
but it's valid depending on where you're at. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice done. There you go. Nice. Yes.
Okay.